How to turn on chat bubbles on WhatsApp on Android. Let's see how to enable these settings. Now go to the Play Store on your phone. Now search for Direct Chat. I already have these apps installed on my phone, now install them on yours. Now that the installation is complete, open it. Now follow me step by step as I will do. Turn on Direct Chat now. Now click on the application. Now keep WhatsApp on, turn off the rest. Now look, I'm texting from another phone. See if the chat bubble turns on as soon as the message arrives. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.